Okay. Or I have one that's a rectangle.
Look at this, Mama.
What's right here? Do you want to? Yeah, like spreading.
I would even do it. Not be mean, I would just show you what we're doing. Oh.
Yum, yum, yum. This is so good.
You guys, bon appetit.
Really?
You got
Really,
TV?
Steph,
Bye.